Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at logarithmic equations. Now, logarithmic equations are equations involving logarithms. Okay, now example we have log₂ base 2x² equals minus 6. Now, how do we solve this out? In order to solve this, we'll first of all remember our rule that says if n equals by, then so if we should remember this, solve out this, applying this, so this will become x² equals 2 raised to power minus 6. Okay, now here we have squared, so we can take square root. Taking square root to become x equals square root of 2 raised to power minus 6. But we know that 2 raised to power minus 6 equals 1 over 2 raised to power 6, which will give us 1 over 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 2, 32, 32 times 2, 64. Okay, so replacing this with this, we have this as x equals square root of 1 over 64. Alright, now root of 64 will give us 8, so x equals 1 over 8 plus or minus 1 over. Calculate the value of x of log₂x if log x4 equals half. Now to do this, we'll take applying a general law that says if n equals by, then log bn equals y. Okay, so applying this law, we have to bear this general law in mind. Okay, so this will now become 4 equals x raised to power half, and mathematically raised to power half is square root. Raised to power half is square root, so this we can rewrite as 4 equals square root of x. Alright, so to eliminate this square root, we square both sides. So squaring both sides will give us x equals 16. Now, coming down here, our value of x will be what? 16. So we impute 16 here. So log₂16 would be what? Equals what? Okay. Now, log₂16 will give us log₂ 2 raised to power 4. Okay. 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16. So that's how we got 2 raised to power 4. Now, from here, we have it as 4 log₂. But in our log, we learned earlier on that log₂ equals 1. Okay, if you haven't seen a video on logarithm, on the laws of logarithm, please do check our playlist for the detailed video. So applying that log₂ equals 1 here, this will now give us 4 times 1, which will give us 4. So the value of log₂x equals 4. Our next set of questions says solve for x in the equation log₃32 equals x plus 2. And the second one, if log₃ 18 plus log₃ 3 plus log₃x equals 3, we should find the value of x. Now, in order to solve this, for the first one, okay, we have log₃32 equals x plus 2. Now, applying a general log rule, alright, we will have it as 32 equals 8 raised to power x plus 2. Alright, now we can break this down to the powers of 2. Now, this will become 2 raised to power 5. 32 will give us 2 raised to power 5 equals 8 will give us 2 raised to power 3 x plus 2. Alright, equating our bases, we have 2 cancelling 2. This becomes 5 equals 3x plus 2. Now expanding this bracket, we have 5 equals 3x plus 10 plus 6. 3 times 2, 6. Alright, now collecting our like terms, we have it as 3x equals 5 minus 6. Okay, if we have it as 3x equals 5 minus 6, now 3x equals minus 1. So therefore, x equals minus 1 over 3. Now, with this, we found the solve for x in our first equation. Now, looking at the second equation, we have 18 log₃ 18 plus log₃ 3 minus log₃x equals 3. Now, we would apply logarithm law to this question, where we have addition to become multiplication and subtraction to become division. So, applying that, we have, since they're all in the same basis, log₃, 18 times 3 divided by x equals 3. Okay, now 18 times 3 would give us 54. So this gives us 54 over x equals 3. Now we can now do what? Cross multiply. Okay, sorry, log₃. Let's not forget that. Okay, so before we cross multiply, let's rewrite this using our log then our log rule. Then this becomes 54 over x equals 3 raised to 3. Okay, now 54 over x equals 3 raised to 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27. Okay, so this becomes 54 equals 27x. So therefore, our x equals 54 over 27, which gives us x to be 2. So the value of our x would be 2. Our next question says, find x if log₃ plus log₃ 2x plus 3 minus log₃ x minus 1 equals 2. Now, all we'll do here, we need to apply our log rule. Now, in applying our log rule, we would have it as log₃ okay. Now, addition becomes multiplication times 2x plus 3. Subtraction becomes division divided by x minus 1 equals 2. Alright, so this becomes our log₃. 2 times 2 will give us 4x. 2 times 3 plus 6 all over x minus 1 equals 2. Now, this becomes 4x plus 6 all over x minus 1 equals 3 raised to 2. Now, 3 raised to 2 is 3 times 3, which is 9. So this gives us 4x plus 6 over x minus 1 equals 9. Now, having it as 9, we'll now cross multiply. This gives us 4x plus 6 equals 9 bracket x minus 1. Okay, expanding this bracket, 4x plus 6 equals 9x minus 9. Now, collecting our like terms, this will be 4 going over will become 9x minus 4x, and 9 coming over will become 6 plus 9. Alright, so this will give us 5x equals 15. So therefore, our x equals 15 over 5, which gives us 3. So the value of x in our equation would be 3. Alright guys, if you've seen this video up to those moments, don't forget to subscribe, like and click on your notification buttons for more updates. And if you've enjoyed our tutorials, do well to share the link with your friends. Given that log₂a equals log₃, that we should find a, and our second question says Given that x equals log₃5 and y equals log₃81, find the value of root x, y. Now, solving for our first question, we have log₂a equals log₃(4). Now here we will apply our change of base, okay? Change of base formula, which gives us log₂a would be log₄ over log₃. Okay? Now, this we know that log₄ is log₄, log₂a equals log₂² over log₂3. So here we have log₂ log₂, 2 log₂ over 2 and 3 log₂. So log₂, we cancel log₂, leaving us with 2 over 3. So here we have now log₂a equals 2 over 3. Now applying our general log law, now we will have this as a equals 2⁻² over 3. Alright? And this can be rewritten as a equals cube root of 2⁻². Okay, so our cube root of 2⁻² will become cube root a equals cube root of 4. 2⁻² is 4, so the cube root of 4 will be the value of our a. Now, to the second one, where we have x equals log₃5 and y equals log₃81. Okay, applying our change of base law here, this will become xy will become log₃ over log₃ times log₃81 over log₃. Oh, sorry, this is log₃. Sorry, log₃. Okay, now breaking this down, we have xy equals log₃ over log₃ times log₃81 will give us 3⁻⁴. log₃⁻⁴ over log₃. Okay, now this will give us xy equals log₃ over log₃ times log₄ log₃ over log₃. This cancels this, leaving us with xy equals 4. Now, our question says find the value of root xy. So therefore, root xy equals root 4. Okay, which gives us plus or minus 2. So plus or minus 2 will be the value of our answer for root xy. Our next set of questions says solve for x if log base 10 x plus x 4x² plus 1 minus 2 log base 10x minus log 10 base 2 equals 1. Now we have this for our question 1. We have log 10 4x² plus 1 minus 2 log 10x minus log 10 2 equals 1. Now applying our base law, our logarithmic law here, we have this as log 10 bracket 4x x² plus 1. Alright, now this will become minus bracket 2 log 10x plus log 10 2 equals 1. Minus times plus will still give us minus. Opening up this bracket, we have this as negative. So here we'll have it as log 10 4x² plus 1 all over, because of this division, 2 x times x squared times 2. That should be x squared times 2, yep. So this will be x squared times 2. Okay, because if we remove this will become 2. So bringing this down, yep. Alright, so this is how it should be. Okay, equals 1. Now from here, we have it as okay, so from here, we can change this to become 4x squared plus 1 over 2x squared equals 10 raised to power 1. And 10 raised to power 1 is 10. So we have next 4x squared plus 1 equals cross multiplying 20x squared. Okay, now from here we collect like terms. If we collect like terms, this becomes 20x squared minus 4x squared equals minus 1. Okay? Okay, equals 1. Equals 1. Okay? 20x squared minus 4x squared equals 1. So from here, next we'll be doing is we have it as 16x squared equals 1. So our x squared equals 1 over 16. So x equals root 1 over 16. Sorry, I'm in a hurry. Alright, root 1 over 16. So root of 16 will give us 1 over 4. So x equals plus or minus 1 over 4. That will be the value of x. Now looking at our second question, okay? Now looking at our second question, it says find the value of x if log₂x plus log₄x equals 6. So that applying a logarithm law will turn it to addition to multiplication. So this gives us, so here we have, okay, 2, we have log₂x plus log₂x plus 4, okay, equals 6. So here, log₂, since they're a common base, will be 2x times x plus 4 equals 6. Alright, now 2 times this will give us log₂ 2x squared plus 8x equals 6. Now this will be 2x squared plus 8x equals 2 raised to power 6. And 2 raised to power 6 will give us 64. So this will be 2x squared plus 8x equals 64. Turning it into a quadratic equation, we have it as 2x squared plus 8x minus 64 equals 0. So divide through by 2. We have this as x squared plus 4x minus 32 equals 0. Now, we look for the factors of 32 that will give us 4. Now, if we factorize x squared minus 4x, plus 4x minus 32 equals 0. Factorizing this, we have 32x squared. Okay, factors of 32 will be 8 and 4. Alright, so this will become positive 8 and minus 4x. Okay, so imputing this to replace this, we have it as x squared plus 8x minus 4x minus 32 equals 0. Alright, here we group this. What's coming here is x bracket x plus 8. What's coming here is 4 minus 4 bracket x plus 8. Okay, equals 0. So from here we have x minus x plus 8 and x minus 4 equals 0. X plus 8 equals 0. So therefore, x equals minus 8 and x minus 4 equals 0. So therefore x equals 4. So the value of our x would be plus 8 or minus 4. But since it's logarithm, 8 log cannot be a negative value. Alright guys, with this, we've come to the end of today's tutorials. Hope you've enjoyed our lecture so far. Don't forget to like and share this link with your friends. See you in our next class.